Today I am going to share with you a personal favorite recipe. Chocolate gravy, Appalachian style. So let's get started. You only need a few simple ingredients, including granulated sugar, Hershey's cocoa powder, and milk. So first, you're going to add a cup of sugar into a large pan. Then, after you add your sugar into this pot, you're going to add in a large scoop of cocoa powder. After you do this, you want to take your spoon and incorporate the sugar and the cocoa powder together. Essentially, you're combining the two so that there are no clumps of sugar or the cocoa powder. Then you're going to add in 1 cup of the milk to this mixture, and you want to stir it just enough till you start to feel that the sugar is off of the bottom and it is starting to incorporate into that dry mixture. And as you're doing this, you want to go ahead and turn your stove on and start off by turning your stove to a medium-high heat. Once you do that, you will tell that the texture is going to start to change a little bit as the sugar begins to dissolve. At that point, you want to go ahead and lower your heat down to medium and continuously stir, making sure that it does not bubble over, because it will do that relatively quickly. That is why you want to keep your stove at least at medium heat. After a while, the mixture will start to produce a rapid boil, and it will no longer be rising over the top. It will slowly simmer down to the point that it develops a chocolatey film over the top. And at that point, you can see it is starting to thick. But right here, it is not thick enough yet. As you hold your spoon up, you can tell it is still dripping off. So just keep stirring. You do not want this mixture to stick. And once your mixture gets thick enough, as you can see here, it is starting to show some resistance. That means it is ready to serve. I like to put it in a bowl with some biscuit bread, a little bit of butter, and you have the makings of a perfect Appalachian meal. You can also dip your biscuit bread in it if you prefer to. I enjoy this several ways. But no matter how you enjoy it, it is always the same. Delicious and makes for the perfect breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even a snack if you prefer. But for me, Southern Appalachian chocolate gravy is perfect any time of the day, no matter the meal. I eat it a lot by itself with nothing else to accompany it. So I hope you enjoy and we'll try this recipe soon.